Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm here with a video to show you how does the sound works in the Poco M3. Right, it has dual speaker setup, one at the bottom and one at the top. You can see here, and it has the higher resolution higher res audios. So let's just check it out how it works. How you feel the sound of this device. I can feel the vibration here, this part. So nice. And I think that's the full volume. Yep, it is. Wow, it's awesome. I love it. The surrounding. Ooh. Really great, I would say. Wow, I'm just loving it.